Let's see in this video how to create a financial year and financial period. The financial year represents a 12-month accounting period used to record and manage all financial transactions. It helps ensure that reports and statements are generated accurately for the correct period. Each financial year can also be divided into smaller accounting periods for monthly reporting and analysis. Let's log in with the username and password of the creator's login to create the financial year and financial period. Click the Login button. Click on Financials, then Setup. Navigate to the financial year screen. Click on Create Next Fin Year/Period. The financial year will be created. Clicking on Financial Year displays the start date and end date along with the current status. To open the year, click on Open Year. The financial year will open and the current status will update to open. To open all periods in the financial year, click on Open All Periods. All periods will now be open. To close the year, click on Close Year. The financial year will also be closed, and the status will be updated to closed. To close all the periods, click on Close All Periods. All periods of the particular financial year will be closed. If the Allow to Book Previous Year AP Bills checkbox is selected, the system allows the user to record or post accounts payable bills for the previous year. Next, in the Year-End field, once financial transactions and all auditing activities for the previous year are completed, the year-end process must be performed by clicking the Year-End button. Click on View Audit Information. The View Audit Information option displays all details related to data changes in the financial year. The system captures information of the current and new values for the year, updated by, update date, status, base period, create period, and allow to book previous year AP bills. Next, navigate to the financial period screen. Click on Financials, then Setup, and navigate to the financial period screen. Click on Open/Close and Period. Click on the financial year. The start date and end date of the financial year will be displayed with the current status. Below the financial year, every financial period will be updated. Once all the periods are opened in the financial year for the particular year, the start date and end date will automatically update with an open status. For the particular period, all modules must be closed. Click on Update Period. The current values will be shown. In the New Value section, the status can be changed to Not Started, Open, or Closed. If the transaction has not been updated for the particular year or period, the system will allow the status to be changed to Not Started. To open the period, click on Open. To close the period, click on Closed. Once the period is closed, the system will not allow any transactions. There is also the option for a cutoff date and a cutoff date for AP. Until this cutoff date, the system will allow the user to record, update, or post transactions for the particular period. Once the cutoff date is reached, no further transaction updates will be permitted. In View Audit Information, the option displays all the details related to data changes in the financial period. Thank you for watching this video.